Hello, how are you doing, guys? My name is Yossi. I'm 33 and I'm from Israel. I live here in Los Angeles and I'm a private chef. Um, I love food, I enjoy food, I celebrate food, and today is a special day. We're celebrating a Jewish holiday, and I made for my friends some light appetizers. So if you're going to come closer here, I want you to take a look at what we have here, because later on I will put the best menu and the best presentation. So I want you to get like how it feels to be in the beginning, in the middle, and at the end. So what we got here is pasta. We're gonna do a roasted bell peppers and a roasted tomato pasta with penne and pesto. Yeah. If you come with me right now, yeah, come with me, come with me. You're gonna see that it's not only about just the pasta. We're gonna have here salads. We're gonna have here a lot of carbs. Jewish people like to eat. And what we're going to do today, it's all about celebrating and having fun with friends. I'm a dancer and I'm a very, very good salsa dancer, but compared to that, I'm a very, 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 very good chef. And this is a note for all the competition that's supposed to face me in the challenge, in the show. Bring your best, because nothing less than that is going to be. I will not expect for nothing less than that. We're gonna have here a very, very huge menu. Not huge, 5-6 elements, but good enough to have some fun. I never been to school. I'm not the kind of guy that can actually sit and hear somebody speaking. I want to dance and I want to feed. And for that I will not nobody to tell me how to do it. I'm just gonna have my own way. And anyway, I'm a very stubborn person. And for now, that should be enough. Wait for me later.
Salah shalom.
How you doing, guys? Alright, this is second stage. We're starting with the salads. There is a party tonight. We're having fun. What we got here is the pasta, the penne with the pesto. I made the pesto. It's pure, no parmesan. And if you got the second, come with me. Come with me, come with me, come with me, come with me. I want you to see what I already finished. We got two salads that are ready here. If you want to take a zoom, this is what I do. I try to work and make my food most artistic. And by the time I'm going to finish, this is the salad, this is the cheese platter. And by the time I'm going to finish with all the food, it's going to be looking like great. There is more. Wait for me. How you doing, guys? So we are in the middle of a party. We're going to have very soon, if you look over there, we're going to have a big table with a big buffet. And what I'm about to do today is actually the way I do my work. So if you come closer, you're going to see several of the food that I made. And there is more: quiche, mini tart shells, focaccia, puff pastry, and of course my favorite, focaccia. This is just a part. Look at me, look at me, look at me. Alright, this is just a part of what we're doing today. We're working with tart shells, we're working with a lot of elements. And until the buffet is going to be ready, I'm just going to bring you up from step to step. Alright? Alright, that's that. Okay, guys, this is the last preparation. If you're going to follow me and look through this table, this is what I do. That's the way I present things, that's my style. From quiche to focaccia, mini tart shells, salad, eggplant, cheese platters. Mediterranean salad. Look at me. And puff pastries. Basically, that's what I do. And I need a challenge. It's getting boring out here. So, you know what to do. Thank you.